Hello and welcome, everybody. On behalf of our team, allow me to present our submission for the Seol International Invention Fair 2021, the Farm Blockchain Manager, the always connected data gathering system for agriculture blockchain applications. Allow me to present the team. Myself is Dr. Sami Salama Hussein Hajjaj, Associate Professor Dr. Wahida Hashim, and our colleague Mr. Kishan Rao. So let's talk about the Farm Blockchain Manager and specifically the technology behind it. In recent years, e-farming has become very booming. More and more farmers tend to sell their product and produce online to remote buyers, be it wholesalers or consumers. As a result, farmers will always look for new ways to maximize their profits. And one way to achieve that is through smart contracts. A smart contract is a pre-programmed blockchain e-contract. Essentially, it's a program based on a certain set of conditions, events, and other events. The terms of the contract, such as the price, the volume, delivery, etc., are constantly updated. And as a result, this maximizes the profit for the farmer as well as the value for the buyers. Now, for this to happen, for the smart contract to do its work, it relies on the reliable sources of information about the farm and its product. And this is the purpose of the Farm Blockchain Manager. Essentially, the Farm Blockchain Manager is an IoT blockchain framework that would do the following. It will capture and process raw data from the field, from the agriculture field directly. It will select the best available network to the cloud, and then it would broadcast this processed data to the smart contract algorithm. And as a result, it will result in maximizing the profit for the farmer. Now, the Farm Blockchain Manager can be divided into three main parts: the data gathering devices, the network selection algorithm, and finally, the IoT blockchain data sharing algorithm. So let's talk about these three components separately. The data gathering devices are portable, wireless, and interactive IoT sensors designed to capture raw information, such as soil condition, water level, temperature, etc. These are plug and play and self-powered and self-connected devices. There is no need for infrastructure such as electrical wiring or other miscellaneous setup. The second part of this algorithm, the product, is the network selection algorithm. And the network selection algorithm is allowed to make sure that the farm is always connected to the cloud. Different times of the day, the network could be congested. Maybe you would have a better connection if you switch to a different provider, and so on and so forth. So the network selection algorithm continuously observes the situation and always selects the best network, so it always stays on, therefore providing a reliable source of information. The third part is the IoT blockchain data sharing algorithm. This part of the system essentially converts the raw data into terms of the contract. Essentially, it takes the data, processes it, analyzes it, and based on that information and based on the process information, the contract is dynamically updated, therefore result in a better contract for everyone involved. Now let's talk about the commercial viability of this product. Aside from the direct benefit, which is the maximizing of the profit, the farmers can also use the blockchain manager to streamline operation, to improve the operations, reduce waste, and further improve the profits of the agriculture operations. From the consumer's point of view, they also get reliable information about the produce that they intend to buy. So before they actually purchase, let's say, tomatoes for this farm, they can actually know all they need to know about it from before they make that decision. Now, novelty and design. Now, current IoT applications focus entirely on display data only. And then they would assume that the user would essentially use this information to improve operation. The blockchain manager, on the other hand, can automate the whole process from the get-go, from the beginning until the end. Returning to this slide, we can see that the data, or the devices can capture the data, the raw data. The raw data is then processed and is translated into a better contract. The contract is executed and translated into profit without any kind of intervention from the farmers. the farmers can essentially focus on tending to the farm and improve on the quality of the results. Secondly, current IoT agriculture applications require extensive infrastructure and setup, such as wiring, power, and so on and so forth. On the other hand, the blockchain manager is, as we said earlier, is a self-powered, self-connected, and plug and play. All you need to do is just take the device and plug it into the field, and we are good to go. Finally, the blockchain manager is well documented. We have published a paper, a journal paper, two intellectual properties, one with already been filed and the other one is being in the process. And also the design, the system itself was developed with the collaboration with Mardi. And with this, we thank you very much for your time. Thank you and have a good day.